Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong announced that the Meghalaya government is working closely with central agencies to secure the 443-kilometre international border with Bangladesh and prevent infiltration. Following a review meeting with the BSF and other central agencies, Tinsong assured that comprehensive measures are being implemented. He highlighted collaboration with village authorities, village defence parties and law enforcement to ensure robust border security.
With the BSF authority and with all the concerned agencies, be it state and central government agencies, we are in the same page and we are on the same line. We'll make sure that the international boundary be fully secured to meet all these challenges in case if any kind of infiltration takes place or in whatever manner. But we are already in touch and we are fully in operation as far as the international border is concerned.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has